anyone hear me when you close the door to my cage? Does anyone hear me? You say you need me to brighten up your world, make the children smile, teach them all you've learned of my ways when I was wild. Free me, why don't you free me from this cage you've locked me in? Hear me, why can't you hear me? Calling those I left behind when I was wild. I remember the taste of rain, distant calls of night, the earth beneath my feet, green and golden light. No horizon, starry skies. Free me, why don't you free me from this cage you've locked me in? Hear me, why can't you hear me? Calling those I left behind when I was wild. The open spaces I used to roam, they were my home. Running wild, the sun and moon, they were my guide. Does anyone hear me in my cage? Does anyone hear